Get out in Buffalo Harbor, Lake Erie out of Buffalo, New York, and gonna catch something, man. Sheephead, perhaps, maybe a bass, who knows. Middle of August, so don't think there's any walleye left. Got my old Town Sportsman 120 pedal drive. Second time out in it. Alright, paddle out till I get past the weeds. I don't want to get all gunked up with the pedal drive. Not too bad. Put it locked in. There we go. We'll start off, try a little trolling here. I got one rod set out for trolling with a worm burner. I'm not tired yet. Going against the wind, so if I go out on the lake a little bit, I could just got the wind on my back. Easy ride. Yeah, that was a big fat waste of time. Throw my way back in, a couple goby bites. I was hoping for a big drum or catfish, who knows? Nothing. Try a little jigging for bass here at the Salt Gap. Probably a few bass left, probably a bit, not no giants, but maybe some decent ones if they're here. Usually you get them here. Got a leech on a drop shot there. I think I'm about to get run over here. Giant barge. Drop shot with a leech. About 2 foot down, a little sinker. Bouncing along the bottom. Alright. Back up here in the corner. Watch these pilings here. I'll bust my drive up. Get this leech out there. Gotta be, it's a good spot for spring bass, but it's summertime, so we'll see. Work that drop shot. Slowly bounce on. It's a nice strong current comes through this gap. Fish on. On a leecher. Big fish. Finally, what I got here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Big Daddy. Big Daddy. No, that's a monster. Look at the size of that. The size of that. Whoa. Oh yeah. Get that net ready. Oh yeah. In the net. Oh, that's heavy. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Oh, geez, he stuck me. Look at that. Big Daddy. All right, ready? All right. Big Daddy. I didn't even feel that bite, man. Look at that. Look at that whopper. Perchy. Silver bass. Fish on. Fish on. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. On the leech. What I got here? I got a walleye. I got a walleye. I got a walleye. That looks like a keeper. But I'm not keeping fish. Got a walleye. Oh, it's 16. I ain't keeping fish. See ya. Another drift. And pretty big waves coming at me at times. The time from the big boats, man. It don't even phase this this kayak, man. It's pretty stable. Pretty stable. What I got here? Whoa. Whoa. Sheepy. 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 Good eater, but I'm not eating fish today. So I had one pop it, let it go, see if it come back. There goes the tiki bar. Well, I didn't have a troll my way back in. Missed a few more hits. Now all the boat traffic came and the fish just shut right off. Should have been there earlier, but got some fish. Nice big giant sheepy. They tried drifting across the front there. It's good in the spring. I don't think it's so good right now, but there's the cars. Cars racing on the water. Time to call it, man. I think I got a sunburn.